Guys, listen, my good buddy Jesse, okay, we were roommates in college. He just showed up. He lives in Montana. He drove all the way out to the Dub out here in his 2002 Duramax, which is an LB7. So he just got this. How many miles did you get with on the truck there, Jesse?
Bought it in Billings, Montana. Had 188,000 miles on it.
188,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not too
And
shabby.
yeah, that's not bad. And it was a farm truck. Isn't that right?
Yeah,
That's right.
Farm truck, and the farmer did all his service at the same Chevrolet dealer, so it's got all the good records.
All records. So
yeah.
so a clean truck. And do you mind telling them what you paid for it? I think it's a really good deal for what you got here.
I paid $12,500.
And that was a year ago. 1 year ago in October, right?
Yeah, and good thing there's no taxes in Montana. No sales tax.
Okay, so I mean it's a clean truck. We were just looking at his window tint, but I mean it's a cool color, and you know a little like dents and dings, but Christ, for an 02, like what are you gonna do, you know? No, looking really good. Did you track your mileage on your way out here? Fuel mileage? I meant to ask that yesterday. Did you?
Yeah, it was about 17.5 average.
Come on, got to be more than that.
I wish.
I was expecting to say like 22.
Yeah, well.
Just say, how many miles a gallon did you get?
About 22.
22, 23. Okay, that's what I was guessing. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, this is a work in progress. You know what? Dude, fire it up then once, and we'll get a. Yeah, that'll be good. Oh. Nice. Nice. Dude, that sounds so good. I love the startups on these because it like adds a bunch of like some fuel right away.
Oh yeah.
And it's because on Power Strokes it's just like it just kind of starts gradually, but these and like Cummins, they have a really like pronounced start to them. Like they just get fired right away. I don't know what it is, but I love that sound. So that sounds good. So that's 5-inch all the way back, right?
5-inch all the way back. That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Just the S&B intake, and that's about it.
And then wait to do injectors when you have to.
When I have to.
Man. Yeah. That's do you know if they had like LS and then like SLT models back then, or when? Do you know what the trim packages started with?
LS is like your basic. I like the bench seat in front, so I got the cloth seats with the bench seat, and then the next one is the LT. And that's usually got your leather package and heated seats and all that kind of stuff.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Reverse leveled.
Reverse level.
Love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll do like a drive later or something. I was thinking we'll go down Fooleries, actually. That's a bar down south here.
Sure. Sounds good.
Maybe Evan will meet us there. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we do that.
Okay.